Did you know that glucosamine sulfate supplements can help improve your heart health? A fascinating question indeed. Glucosamine sulfate, a naturally occurring compound in our bodies, is primarily recognized for its role in developing and maintaining cartilage in the joints. It's typically found in some animal and non-human tissues, and supplemental forms are often made from these sources. Commonly used to treat and prevent joint disorders like osteoarthritis, glucosamine sulfate has become a household name for many middle-aged adults. But beyond joint health, this compound holds surprising benefits for our most vital organ, the heart. Recent research suggests that glucosamine sulfate supplements may help remove plaque from heart arteries, contributing to improved heart health. It's a revelation that's not only intriguing but also opens up a new perspective on how we can take better care of our cardiovascular system. Stay tuned as we delve into the research that links glucosamine sulfate to heart health. Before we dive into the benefits of glucosamine sulfate, let's get a grasp on heart health, specifically the role of arteries and the risks of plaque buildup. Our bodies are like intricate machines, and the heart is the engine that keeps everything running smoothly. Think of the heart as a pump, circulating blood throughout the body via a network of highways known as arteries. These arteries are crucial for our overall health. They transport oxygen and nutrients to every cell, helping them function optimally. However, just like any highway system, traffic jams can occur in our arteries. These jams are often caused by a substance called plaque, a sticky combination of fat, cholesterol, calcium, and other substances found in the blood. Over time, this plaque builds up and narrows the arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. This can limit the flow of oxygen-rich blood to your organs and other parts of your body, leading to serious health problems such as heart disease or stroke. Maintaining clean arteries is therefore essential for heart health. But how do we do that? A balanced diet, regular exercise, and keeping conditions like high blood pressure and diabetes in check are all crucial. But sometimes we need a bit of extra help, and that's where certain supplements like glucosamine sulfate come into the picture. So why is glucosamine sulfate important? It's a naturally occurring compound in the body, primarily recognized for its role in developing and maintaining joint health. However, recent research suggests it may also play a role in heart health, specifically in the reduction of artery plaque. With a clear understanding of the heart and artery health, let's see how glucosamine sulfate plays a role in maintaining it. Several research studies have shown the effectiveness of glucosamine sulfate in removing plaque from heart arteries. This simple statement becomes a beacon of hope for many, but let's delve deeper into these research studies to understand exactly what they reveal. A large part of the research on glucosamine sulfate and heart health focuses on its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a key player in the development of plaque in our arteries, so it stands to reason that glucosamine sulfate's ability to reduce inflammation could help prevent this buildup. One particular study, conducted over a span of several years, followed a group of participants who were administered daily doses of glucosamine sulfate. The researchers tracked the levels of plaque in the participants' arteries and found that those taking glucosamine sulfate showed a significant reduction in plaque buildup compared to those who were not. This isn't the only study to suggest such positive results. Another research initiative examined the direct impact of glucosamine sulfate on heart cells. In this study, scientists discovered that glucosamine sulfate helped to reduce inflammation in these cells, suggesting a potential mechanism for the reduction of arterial plaque. Yet another study focused on the role of glucosamine sulfate in lipid metabolism. As many of us know, high levels of certain types of lipids in the blood can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries. This research found that glucosamine sulfate could help regulate lipid metabolism, thereby reducing the risk of plaque formation. And let's not forget the research that has looked at the overall impact of glucosamine sulfate on heart health. A number of studies have indicated that regular supplementation with glucosamine sulfate can lower the risk of heart disease. This is likely due to a combination of its effects on inflammation, lipid metabolism, and direct action on heart cells. These studies, while promising, are not without their limitations. Most notably, many of these studies rely on self-reported data, which can introduce bias. Moreover, while these studies provide compelling evidence of a link between glucosamine sulfate and improved heart health, they do not definitively prove that glucosamine sulfate is the cause of these improvements. More research is needed to fully understand how glucosamine sulfate impacts heart health and to determine the optimal dosage and duration of treatment. Clearly, the research shows promising results. But how much glucosamine sulfate do we need to take daily? Well, that's a great question, and it's the topic we'll tackle in our next scene. Stay tuned as we explore the recommended dosage of glucosamine sulfate for heart health. To achieve heart health benefits, a specific amount of glucosamine sulfate is needed daily. So let's dive into that. The recommended dosage of glucosamine sulfate varies depending on a few factors, such as your age, overall health, and the specific health goals you are aiming for. For general wellness and joint health, a common recommendation is around 1,500 milligrams per day. This is often split into 3 doses of 500 milligrams each, taken with meals to aid absorption. However, when addressing heart health specifically, the research is still ongoing, and the optimal dosage isn't yet fully established. Some studies suggest a similar dosage to that recommended for joint health, while others suggest a higher dosage may be more effective. As always, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regime, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Now it's worth noting that age can also play a role in the recommended dosage. While there's not a lot of data on this topic, some suggest that older individuals may need a slightly higher dosage due to decreased natural production of glucosamine in the body. Similarly, those with certain health conditions might need to adjust their dosage. For instance, individuals with diabetes may need to monitor their blood sugar levels closely when taking glucosamine sulfate, as it could potentially affect insulin resistance. Regardless of your individual circumstances, it's crucial to start with a lower dosage and gradually increase it as your body adjusts. This can help minimize any potential side effects and allow you to monitor how your body responds to the supplement. While glucosamine sulfate shows promise for heart health, it's important to be aware of any potential risks or side effects. Remember, supplements are just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to maintaining good heart health. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and regular checkups with your healthcare provider are all vital components of a heart-healthy lifestyle. Like any supplement, glucosamine sulfate comes with its own set of benefits and risks. Let's dive into the benefits first. Beyond its potential heart health benefits, glucosamine sulfate is also widely recognized for its role in developing and maintaining healthy cartilage in the joints. This makes it a popular supplement among those looking to treat or prevent joint disorders like osteoarthritis. Some studies suggest that it may help to reduce inflammation, which can be beneficial not only for joint health but potentially for heart health as well. But the benefits of glucosamine sulfate may extend beyond the heart and joints. It's also been explored as a treatment for a range of inflammatory conditions, including interstitial cystitis, inflammatory bowel disease, multiple sclerosis, and even glaucoma. While the scientific data supporting these uses is currently limited, it's an exciting area of ongoing research. Now let's discuss the risks. Like any supplement, glucosamine sulfate isn't without potential side effects. Some people may experience digestive upset, including nausea, heartburn, or diarrhea. Others may have allergic reactions, particularly if they're allergic to shellfish, as some glucosamine sulfate supplements are derived from these sources. In terms of heart health, there's some debate. While some research suggests glucosamine sulfate could help reduce inflammation and improve heart health, other studies have contradicted this. This research is still in the early stages, and more studies are needed to fully understand the relationship. It's also important to note that supplements like glucosamine sulfate aren't regulated by the Food and Drug Administration in the same way that medications are. This means that the quality and content of supplements can vary, so it's essential to choose a reputable brand. As with any supplement, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before starting a regimen of glucosamine sulfate. This is particularly true if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications, as glucosamine sulfate may interact with them. Taking a proactive approach to your health is always a good idea, and that includes making informed decisions about the supplements you choose to take.